So today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be trying 4 different cereals. My boyfriend actually did this on his Instagram, and we were in Walmart and he saw these cereals and I was like, ew. And I'm a cereal connoisseur, you guys. I love cereal. It's one of my favorite things to eat, actually. I have so much of it at home, but I usually buy like the same cereals. I never venture out and try new cereal. So today I am going to try 4 new cereals that I've never tried, that I've actually just discovered. Well, he discovered, and he tried them on his Instagram, so he's not going to be in this video because he's already done it, so it wouldn't be a genuine reaction. So I'm gonna try them. Okay, so I have 4 cereals here. I'm gonna show them to you guys. Let me just show them to you guys. Again, Pop-Tart cereal. We've got some Honey Bun cereal, a donut cereal, and then Sour Patch Kids. Pretty gross. So before I taste everything, I'm gonna show you each box. So this right here is the donut cereal. It's by Post. I'm really curious. So we're gonna try this one first. So I wanted to show you guys what the box looks like. And just so you know, you guys, I'm at my boyfriend's house, so it probably looks different than what you guys normally see. This is definitely a man cave in this joint. All right, let's try this donut cereal. It doesn't taste bad. You know what? I'm trying to think of what it tastes like. So I feel like it tastes like, I don't know. Let me just show it to you guys. Do you see this? It sort of tastes like, it's sweet, but not like too sweet. When you first put it in your mouth, it's not real sweet. It doesn't really get real sweet till you bite into it, but it doesn't taste like a donut to me. I don't know. It's this powdered mini. Oh, you know what? It says powdered mini donuts. That's why. Okay. I can see it tasting like a powdered donut. It does somewhat have a powdered donut taste. I would give this one maybe a 5. We're going to rate them from 1 to 10, and I would give this a 5. Like, it's tolerable. I could eat it if I was craving something sweet, but I wouldn't actually go out and buy this on my own. So this is what the Pop-Tart cereal looks like. This flavor is frosted strawberry. Personally, I love strawberry Pop-Tarts, but my favorite Pop-Tarts are cherry. Just a little fun fact. I love cherry Pop-Tarts, actually. So this has been sitting in almond milk for some time, so I don't want to eat the soggy part. Let's just try it. This is actually not bad. You know what? It definitely tastes like a strawberry Pop-Tart. Like the little stuff, the icing on the outside and like the inside, the strawberry. It does. It tastes just like a strawberry Pop-Tart. So if you like strawberry Pop-Tarts and you want it in a cereal, you can get it. This one is by, who's this by? I guess, oh, Kellogg's. This is Kellogg's. That's who makes this. We're not going to get into all the health facts. Obviously, the cereal isn't healthy. I would give this Pop-Tart cereal a 7. A 7, just because I could actually eat a bowl of this. Like, I'm trying to think of what other cereal it tastes like. Because it does remind me of another cereal, but I can't think of it right now. That's really weird. We're going to grab the Honey Bun cereal. This is by Hostess as well. So let's see. This probably tastes like Cheerios or something. I don't know. I feel like it would, right? No. It's not bad. It's just really sweet. It's like pure sugar. Like, if you like anything super sweet, you'll like this. I don't know if I'm feeling this. It's too sweet for me. I would give this cereal like a 4. Just because it's too much, it's too sweet. Like, I feel like I'm eating a bowl of sugar. Like Honey Nut Cheerios has like the perfect amount of sweetness, you know? But this right here, I don't know. It just is too much sugar for me. Or, yeah. I'm not feeling it. So, this is a no. We gotta try the Sour Patch Kids cereal, which like it's not gonna be good. Like, I'm so nervous, especially based on my boyfriend's reaction now on his Instagram. He didn't like it. So I'm a little nervous. Let me show you what the box looks like. So Sour Patch Kids is by Post as well. Ew. I'm just like not, I don't know how I feel about this, you guys. I feel like I'm just, ew. I'm nervous. Let's try it. Hold on. I'm so nervous. Like, I don't want to try this. Oh, I'm going in for the kill. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You know what, guys? It's not disgusting. My boyfriend thought it was disgusting. It's actually not. It tastes like Fruity Pebbles with a hint of sourness. But it tastes just like a Sour Patch Kid. That's really funny. Wow, I'm really surprised. Like, if you mix Fruit Loops and Fruity Pebbles together and threw something sour in there, that's what this would be. It's really not that bad. Wow. It's really not that bad. I thought it was gonna be disgusting the way he like described it. But honestly, I could eat this. I wouldn't buy it, don't get me wrong. But I could eat it if somebody like gave it to me and that's all we had. If you like sweet and sour, you'll like this. I love sweet and sour. So that's probably why I like it. I'm really surprised that I like this cereal. What? That is really funny. Wow, okay, well, Sour Patch Kids isn't bad, you guys. I thought it was gonna be disgusting, but it's really not. So that's it, you guys. I tried all 4 of them. I would give the Sour Patch Kids a 5. So the donut cereal, I would give a 5. The Pop-Tart cereal, a 7. The Sour Patch Kids, a 5. And that Honey Bun cereal, a 3. Just because it's too sweet. If it was lighter on the sugar or the honey or whatever, I could eat it. But it's just way too sweet for me, so yeah. I'm really surprised that I like that. I'm about to call him. Wait, hold on. Hello? Yeah, so I'm recording this video. These are not bad, babe. Wait, I gotta show the camera your face. Like, I wouldn't buy them, but I didn't think they were horrible.
You eat breakfast pretty fancy, huh? Queen of England?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah. But these aren't bad. Like, I could eat them.
Now you know what they do, right? And you're eating them with milk?
Yeah.
So this man's nice. Bye.
Bye. Alright, you guys, I tried the Sour Patch Kids cereal. I tried the Pop-Tart cereal, the Honey Bun, and the donut. And it was all okay. All of it was edible. It wasn't disgusting, you know? Like, all of them were tolerable. But I absolutely would not buy any of these on my own. Like, I would not buy them and eat them because I'm just more of like a plain girl with my cereals. But, you know, I'm traditional. I do the Lucky Charms, the Honey Nut Cheerios, like the basics, you know? I'm not venturing out into all these new cereals, but I will tell you that they're not horrible. So if you like any of the things that I described in this video, you're gonna like this cereal, honestly. All right, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Something different for my channel, something fun. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.